What's up YouTube? Today I'm making Kedgeree. This is a quick and tasty dish and I found the recipe on Tesco website, believe it or not. So in a pan, skin side down, get some smoked haddock in some milk and water. You want to boil 4 eggs because we're going to quarter them later. Now you want to simmer the haddock in the milk and water for around 5 minutes at slow pace. This is what it looks like at around 5 minutes, and you do that until it's tender. Once the eggs are done, get them into a bowl of cold water, and that will stop them cooking and it'll make them easier to peel. Next you want to get the rest of the ingredients chopped up and ready. So we've got a medium onion, some grated ginger, and then the spices, which we've got some medium curry powder, some coriander powder, and some turmeric. Turmeric's looking rather bright orange on there, but it was more of a yellow, so I'm not too sure what's going on there. But happy days. Now, I almost forgot my garlic, so I got a couple of cloves crushed up there. And once it's finished poaching, just put the pan on the side, and when you're ready, take them out of the pan, flip them over so skin side up, and then you get the fun job of peeling it, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, as you can see here. But after a while you'll get the skin off, and once you've done that, it should look like that. And all you want to do is take a fork and flake it up. Now here's my snazzy new pan, Le Creuset. I'm a real lover of the brand, and I was pleased that the wife said I could get a new toy. So with the chopped onion, ginger, spices, pop that into the pan, low heat, and give that a stir around for about 5 minutes or so, or until the onions have softened. Now spices may catch on the bottom a little bit, but don't worry too much, because we're going to add some rice and in particular some stock, which can be used to deglaze the pan, so no worries there. It will get all those beautiful flavours off the bottom, not a problem. So you just want to mix in the rice with all the onion and spices until everything's combined and coloured. Not too similar to what I'm doing here. That should take you a couple of minutes or so. And like I say, don't worry about that caramelisation on the bottom, because it's not burnt, it's just stuck to the bottom of the pan, no problem. So we can go to stock. So I'm using vegetable stock, as Tesco recommend, with 350 ml of water, boiling water. And I've got one of those jelly stock pots, which I got from Lidl. They're pretty decent. So like I say, at this point you can deglaze the pan. As you can see, as the spoon goes around, you can see the bottom of the pan is no longer covered with spices. And what you want to do is bring that to a boil and then simmer for 12 minutes. If you are using a Le Creuset pan, I recommend adding more water, because it's a real good conductor of heat, and I end up getting like a risotto like consistency on the bottom of the pan, because the rice, because it was that hot, all the water evaporated quite quickly. So anyway, once that's done, you want to decant the liquor, the sort of braising liquor from the haddock, into the pan and give it a good stir. Look at that, beautiful. Then you want to get the lid back on and simmer for another 5 minutes or so, or until the rice is tender, like this. Although you can't tell that it's tender from that picture. Anyway, turn off the heat, and you want to get your flaked smoked haddock into the pan. You want to toss in the quartered eggs that we boiled earlier, and chopped parsley. It's about 2 or 3 tablespoons, which are just roughly chopped earlier, and then give that a good mix to combine gently, so you don't break up all the eggs or anything any further. Now you can reduce the rice and stock further, but I've had dry Kedgeree in the past, and that's no good. I would definitely make this again. I'd probably tweak it. I may even add a chilli, just because I like spice. But thanks for watching. Please, do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.